Healthy and delicious soya chunks Manchurian. Prepared in air fryer. Very tasty, healthy and delicious soya chunks recipe. Please don't miss to subscribe my channel. 2 cups soya chunks. 4 hot water. 1 teaspoon salt. Let it soak for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, squeeze out water. Place it in blender. Blend it coarsely. Transfer to the bowl. A half finely chopped onions. A half cup bell peppers, capsicum finely chopped. 2 tablespoon plain flour. 1½ tablespoon corn flour. A half teaspoon black pepper. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Salt to taste. Mix well. Two tablespoon rice flour. Mix well. Apply oil in palm. Make a small round shape. In preheated air fryer, apply olive oil. Place in the basket. Set for 22 minutes at 190 degrees C. After 5 to 6 minutes, stop. Apply olive oil. After each 5 minutes, flip it. Once finished, leave it inside. 2 tablespoon olive oil in preheated pan. 2 tablespoon garlic. 1 inch grated ginger. 3 slit green chillies or as per taste. Saute for 1 minute. Add a half slit onions. A quarter slit yellow bell peppers, capsicum. A quarter cup green slit bell peppers, capsicum. Saute for 2 minutes. Add a half cup spring onion. Saute for 1 minute. A half teaspoon black pepper. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup. 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. 1 tablespoon green chili sauce, 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Mix well. Take 1 tablespoon corn flour. Add a half cup water. Make thin, lump-free slurry. Add into the mixture. Mix well for 1 minute. Transfer air-fried soya chunks ball. Mix well. Ready to serve. Garnish with spring onion.